In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an autoresponder email, a handy tool that can save you time and ensure you stay on top of your communications even when you're not around. Whether you're out of the office or simply managing a busy schedule, an autoresponder helps maintain that all-important connection with your contacts by automatically sending a pre-written message in response to incoming emails. Let's dive into the process, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have your very own autoresponder set up. First, we need to begin by accessing the settings menu, where you'll find all the options you need to customize how your email account functions. This is typically found within the main menu of your email platform. Once you're in settings, look for the email section. This area is dedicated to managing everything related to incoming and outgoing emails, including the setup of automatic replies. Once in the email section, look for an option that says add an email or something similar. When you click on this, you'll likely see a drop-down menu where you'll select autoresponder. Clicking on this option will take you to a new page specifically designed for setting up your autoresponder message. Now comes the creative part, customizing your message. Think about what you want to convey to people who email you while you're away. A well-crafted autoresponder typically thanks the person for their email, informs them of your current unavailability, and provides an idea of when they can expect a response. You might also consider including an alternative contact method if it's necessary for urgent matters. Try to keep this message concise yet informative, providing all the essential details without overwhelming the recipient. After you've drafted your message, take a moment to review it. Ensure there are no typos or errors and that it conveys the right tone for your audience. A professional yet warm tone often works best to maintain a positive impression even in your absence. Once satisfied with your draft, it's time to save your autoresponder. Look for the Save button on the screen, which might be located at the bottom or top corner of the page, depending on your email platform. Clicking Save will finalize all changes, making your autoresponder active and ready to go whenever someone reaches out to you. And there you have it. You've successfully set up an autoresponder email. Now you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that your contacts are informed about your temporary unavailability. This little tool not only helps you manage expectations, but also keeps your communication professional and responsive even when you can't personally answer each email immediately. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.